From Toronto, Ontario, Captain Grégoire is an experienced fighter pilot and was a Canadian F-18 demo pilot for the 2007 air show season. In the second line of stern is number 5, Major Doug Clemens from Ottawa, Ontario. Major Clemens is also a seasoned F-18 fighter pilot and was the F-18 demo pilot for the 2002 air show season. Now, look to your right as the team returns for the time-honored Big Diamond Roll and Loop. Watch the precision in grace. Watch as Snowbird 8 peels away from the main formation, then pulls straight up, around, and back down, forming the emblematic Support the Troops ribbon.
I always needed time.